Hi, this is Jay Ganesh. In this video, I am going to show you how to disable the USB port in your computer. Typically, all computer USB port enabled by default, but sometimes USB port will be make security problems. When someone use your computer, easy to stolen your computer data without your knowledge. Also, if they are used virus infected USB drive, then your computer will be easy to affect. So, how can you disable the USB port? Let's learn. In my computer, I just insert the USB drive. Now it's detected. So, I have to disable the USB drive port. So, go to eject the pen drive. Safely remove. After that, you have to click on the Windows icon, then click on the run, then enter the regedit, then click OK. After open the registry editor, click on the HK local machine, expand this, go to system, then current control set, then services. Here you have to find the USB store. So many alphabetic is available, so I have to directly type USB. It will be moved there. Yeah, select the USB store. Now select the start. Double click it. Here you have to change the value 3 to 4. Then click OK. That's it. Now you have to insert your pen drive. I just insert the pen drive, but it's not detected. Your USB port now is disabled. If you enable after sometimes, you can again go to registry editor and click on the start, change the value to 3. Now we can reinsert the USB drive. See, now the USB port is enabled. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more technology video, subscribe this channel.